where I put that cat. Oh, kia ora, Stefano. Are you awake over there? Great, because I can hear that beautiful sound. The trumpets. It's toy time. Come on.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Figure in your watch, it's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Ata Marie, ko mai a tōku ingoa. Welcome to the Toy Time Whare. I had a great sleep last night and it's such a beautiful morning. It looks like Ricky is doing his morning meditation, so I'm just going to sit here, drink my tea and read my book in the sunshine.
Joel's son. Oh, that feels good. I love meditating when I wake up in the morning.
Morena.
Oh, good morning, Jojo. You look tired. Didn't you sleep well last night?
I didn't sleep at all. I haven't slept for 2 days. But I'm not tired. Really, I'm not. I feel tired just thinking about staying up for 2 days.
How about I make you some chrysanthemum tea? That's what my mama does when I can't sleep.
Oh, I don't want to fall asleep.
But why?
Because there's so much to do and so much to see and so many fun toys to play with. I don't want to miss out on anything.
Well, Jojo, sleep is really important.
More important than playing.
Oh, that's a tricky one.
Let's ask Mōhio. Hey, Mōhio,
Kia ora, Maya. How can I help?
why is sleep so important?
Sleep lets your body get the rest it needs for the next day. If you don't get enough sleep, you can feel tired and a bit grumpy too.
I'm not grumpy. I'm fine. I'm completely fine and 100% not tired.
Then why are you yawning?
All right. I'm stretching my cheeks.
Why are your eyes closed, Jojo?
I'm resting my eyelids. What's happening? I can't fall asleep. It's toy time. Come on.
I went to sleep. I had a dream that I was flying way up in the sky. And in the sky, I had some wings. And they were made out of chips and ice cream. I went to sleep. I had a dream that I could breathe like a fish in the sea. And in the sea, I made some friends with a Thanifa and a Petty Petty. Shimmy like you're pulling off the covers in bed. Close your eyes and rest your head. Sleep is good for me. It helps me rest and lets me dream. Shimmy like you're pulling off the covers in bed. Close your eyes and rest your head. Sleep is good for me. It helps me rest and lets me dream. I went to sleep. I had a dream that I was flying in a rocket into space. And in space, I made a friend. And their name was Marama the Moon. I went to sleep. I had a dream that I was traveling in a time machine. And in the past, I made a friend. And it was Maui slowing down the sun. Shimmy like you're pulling off the covers in bed. Close your eyes and rest your head. Sleep is good for me. It helps me rest and lets me dream. Shimmy like you're pulling off the covers in bed. Close your eyes and rest your head. Sleep is good for me. It helps me rest and lets me dream.
And last of all, could you please hand me the flag, Jojo? Ooh, Jojo, the flag.
I know. How about we put a big, comfy, snuggly bed in the castle?
That sounds nice. I mean, no, it doesn't need a bed. It needs toys. Lots of toys.
Done. It's time to play. Hey, Mōhio, please could you tell us the story of Sleeping Jojo?
Of course, Nikki. Once upon a toy time, there was a girl called Jojo who had never in her life gone to sleep. She stayed awake and stayed awake because she loved to play and she didn't want to miss a single thing.
The birds, the butterflies, the trucks, and the diggers.
Even at night time.
The stars, the moon, and Rudu. Oh, there's so much to see and do. I don't want to miss a single magical thing by falling asleep.
But Jojo got more and more tired until one day she fell asleep in the middle of a game.
Oh, I think it might finally be time for Jojo to have a moe.
Jojo's whānau tucked her into bed and waited for her to wake up.
Aw, good night, Jojo.
Poor Maddie. Go long.
Days passed, then weeks, then months, and then years, and still she slept.
Wait up, Maya.
I made her favourite biscuits. The smell should wake her up.
Nope, still sleeping. Can I please have one of those biscuits, Nanny Maya? Marika.
Of course, Grandpa Dicky. Help yourself.
I'll make us a cup of tea.
Ooh, goody. Bye, dearie.
Jojo was so tired that she slept for 100 years. Then one day, a friendly boy came to introduce himself.
Knock, knock.
But still, Jojo didn't wake up.
I said knock, knock. Oh, she must be very tired.
Ah, what a wonderful sleep.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Buzz.
Buzz who?
Buzz me, see? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Ehua. I'm Jojo.
Oh, good to meet you. Hey, what do you call a sleepy spaghetti?
What?
It's a past your bedtime. Hey, are you ready for takaro time?
Yes.
Then come on.
And they all lived happily ever after. Komutsu.
Oh, Aroha, you're here too.
Kia ora, everyone.
And Jojo, you're awake.
Of course I'm awake, because it's...
Takaro time!
Yes! I was hoping I would make it for Takaro time. What are we playing today, Buzz?
Oh, today's game is called Sleeping Raiona.
Is this a trick to get me back to sleep?
No, Jojo, it's a really fun game. I'm the hunter and you guys are the lions. Grab a cushion, lie down and keep really still. Ooh. All right, I have to try and make you move. And if you do, you become the hunter too. The last person to move is the winner.
Aw, Buzz! That's easy. You're just gonna tickle us.
No, I'm not allowed to touch you.
Okay. That's tricky. Let's go.
Okay, remember, don't move a muscle no matter what.
I'm gonna win. Just saying.
Okay. Got you, Nicky!
Oh, thanks, Buzz.
Come on, you're the hunter now.
Oh, okay. Oh, I can see your chest moving up and down, Aroha.
Oh, no, that doesn't count, Nikki. That's me breathing.
Got you!
Oh. Okay, you got me. Good trick, Nikki. Yes, I win. Can I be the hunter now?
Go to sleep. Okay. Oh, kia ora. I'm Auntie Anika, and I'm really good at sleeping. Like, I've won World's Best Sleeper every year since 1981. I can actually do it with my eyes closed. See? Good, eh? I'm going to share my best nap tips with you because I love you so much. First, it's important to be comfortable. Have a tinkle on the toilet first, then get into something soft and snuggly. Make sure your bed is warm and cozy and your pillow is perfectly plumped. Ooh, so comfy. And remember, snuggly so snuggly. Sometimes I get thirsty while I nap, so I like to have a glass of water beside the bed. I read a bit to help me relax. So relaxed. Oh, I almost forgot. Hey, Mōhio.
Kia ora, Auntie Anika. How can I help you?
Oh, could you please turn off the light?
Kia au te moi.
Nice. Love you. See you when I wake up.
Oh, kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, in my bed, moinga. I'm just getting ready to go to sleep. I had such a beautiful day today. I went fishing, I rode in a waka, and I petted a donkey. Donkeys are my new favourite thing. What a beautiful day. I'm ready for a sleep. Hang on a second, I've forgotten something. I forgot to brush my teeth. Done. Oh, better. Oh, poor Muddy. Hang on, I've forgotten something else. I've forgotten to use the wharepaku. Taiho, cozies. Ikumi. Now I'm ready for a moi. Hang on a second, I don't have my friends with me. Oh. Mr. Lovey goes there. Oh, Topi Wari, okay. My Brobot. And my Tui. Tui says it's time for a sleep. Come on. I'm all ready for bed now, my cuzzies. Ah, what a beautiful day. Ah, I'm really grateful to have all my friends and my family and all the fun times that I have. My maunga, my awa. Aio ki te rangi, aio ki te whenua, aio ki ngā mea katoa. Poor money and my cuzzies.
Plink, plonk, plink, I can't sleep. Plink, plonk, plink, I can't sleep. I'm dragging my feet. I'm dragging my feet. I wiggle my toes, I touch my nose. I'll count some sheep so I can doze. I'll count some sheep so I can doze. Ready? 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, 4 sheep, 5 sheep, 6 sheep, 7 sheep, 8 sheep, 9 sheep, 10 sheep. And now I'm asleep. Yay! Can you do it with me? Go on. Plink, plonk, plink, I can't sleep. Plink, plonk, plink, I can't sleep. I'm dragging my feet. I'm dragging my feet. I wiggle my toes, I touch my nose. I'll count some sheep so I can doze. Let's count some sheep. Woohoo! So I can doze. Ready? 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, 4 sheep, 5 sheep, 6 sheep, 7 sheep, 8 sheep, 9 sheep, 10 sheep. And now we're asleep.
Wolfie, it's playtime! Oh, Wolfie's still having his nap. Oh, how cute.
Hi, Oma.
Oh, Wolfie! Yay, you're finally awake! Let's play!
Oh, I don't know, Oma. I'm still waking up.
Oh,
I feel a bit groggy.
okay. Well, you take all the time you need.
Ready?
Yay!
Kia ora te whānau. This is Finn.
Kia ora.
Finn is an expert at lots of things that kids need to know how to do. What are you going to show us today, Finn?
How to make your bed.
Oh, perfect. I forget to do that sometimes. Let's go.
Spread out the duvet. Put the pillows at the top. And the teddy bear by the pillow. Done.
Thanks, Finn. High five. Wow, that bed does look cozy. Do you want to jump in it?
No, that's silly. It's daytime. Bye.
Hi guys! I'm going horse riding today. I'm climbing onto the horse. My horse is called Zoe. We walked down to the arena. The arena is big. My mom is here too.
Are you ready for some exercises?
Yeah. My coach is Bianca. Bianca is nice. I learned her how to hold the reins. There are a lot of obstacles. There's so many obstacles to go over, and things go around. I go left and right. To stop my horse, I say the halt. Horse riding is fun.
Ayan, are you ready for the race at the end?
Oh yeah! I hope I will win.
Go.
Come on! Almost there! Go! We won! I love horse riding. Bye, guys!
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass gets broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat gets cross, Mama's gonna buy you a rocking horse. And if that rocking horse turns over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna show you the big blue sky. And if that big blue sky turns grey, Mama's gonna plan you a movie day. And when that movie day is done, you'll tell your friends it was such fun. And next time they can all come round, we'll be the greatest house in town.
Night, Maya.
Night, Tama. Night, Jojo. Night.
Hi! We're all going skateboarding. I'm a little lower than forward. We climb up really high. Let's do it again. Yeah! 3, 2, 1, go. Go!
Are you guys having fun?
Yeah. My brother climbs really high. That's crazy. Yeah! It's really bumpy. My brother is the fastest. He likes to go on the swing as well. I like to go as high as I can on the swing. Let's go, let's go! Wait, who's going second? Me. We all like to go sliding together. You have to be careful when you go up the hill. It takes us a little way to climb up. You ready? Yeah. Let's go. We love sliding down the hill. It's super awesome. It's really good fun. Happy Kids! Story time!
Ni hao, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is the story about Dad's record player. On a quiet weekend at home, Dad brought out his old record player. It looked like a box, but on top was a circle which spun around and around. Dad lowered the metal arm onto the spinning circle. Like magic, the record player started to make a noise. It was music, the sound of a symphony orchestra. Jean and Joy gathered round excitedly. "Can it play any other music?" asked Jean. "Yes," said Dad. "I have many different records." Dad showed them his collection of records. Big flat discs with colourful covers. He chose one with a rainbow and put it on the record player. After some crackly sounds, drum and guitar music started to shake the walls. A rock band. Jean and Joy jumped up and down, dancing to the beat. Their little brother, Jaden, jumped up too. For the rest of the day, the girls explored Dad's records. There were curly-haired men with high, squeaky voices. There was a woman wearing fancy robes who sang Chinese opera tunes. Their favourite had a beautiful blonde lady on the cover, whose country songs were very catchy. "Can we do this every weekend?" asked Joy, bouncing to the music. "Any time you want," laughed Dad, doing a funny dance with the girls. Nothing can be more fun than a dance party at home, with great music and an even better family. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha.